Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are gonna make DIY dream catcher. So that we need two different colors of yarn, satin ribbon, and double side tape, and ordinary cello tape, fevicol, scissors, eraser, and a pencil. Two different colors of glitter foam sheet. It's easily available in any store, and a waste cardboard. I bought it from Bewakoof. I bought a t-shirt from there and cut it into a square piece. Then we'll draw a heart over the cardboard. It should be doubled so that you can cut it out easily. Follow all the steps as shown in the video. It will be easy for you to make a pretty dream catcher. I have cutted the inside part as well. Now it looks messy, that's why I'm going to cover it with cello tape as shown. कुछ ऐसे, like, it's so easy to do. Repeat the steps again and again. And yes, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go and subscribe now. It only takes few seconds to do it. I would love if you do it now. So I have covered it with cello tape. Now take a satin ribbon and paste the edge on the cardboard with cello tape. Then roll it up as I did with the cello tape. So repeat the steps. Trust me guys, it looks so amazing. Try this in your quarantine and let me know in the comment section. So if you upload your story on Instagram, don't forget to tag me over there. And then stick the edge of the ribbon with fevicol or sellotape. It's your wish. Then it's totally covered with that. I hope the video is clear and you understand well what I am trying to show in the video. Now fold a little at the top so that it stands properly. Yeah, then here I have made a pom-pom ball with yarn. I'll stick it over there. Now tie it with yarn at the top of the heart so that it will be easy to stick it on the wall with sellotape. Now I am going to stick the pom-pom ball on the top of the heart in the middle with Fevicol. Now I am going to make a tassel. So roll up the yarn in your hands like 10 to 15 times. Then remove it from your fingers. Then at the top, hold it properly and tie it with a small piece of yarn. Follow the steps properly as shown in the video so that you get a perfect dream catcher as I have made. Then after tying it properly, cut it out in the down part. Then you have to level it properly so that it looks so cool and pretty. So here I have made one red color tassel and two yellow. So I'm going to attach the rope with yellow yarn in the red tassel. Like color combination I have decided. You can choose any color you want. Then tie it properly on the top as I have done in the video. Then according to your length you can cut it out. Then cut the other two also with the same length. Now I'm going to paste it with cello tape. Now we'll cut the other two a little bit because it should be little shorter than the other one. So we'll cut it out. Then we will stick the other two tassels like same we did before to the middle one. Make sure you leave space between those three so that it looks more beautiful. I've cut it out 6 golden hearts and 3 red hearts in foam sheet. Now turn your dream catcher at the back side and place the hearts just as shown in the video. Leave gap in between and place them in the right way. Then you need to paste it with cello tape. Cut the excess cello tape in the sides. Then repeat the steps. I'm using red hearts for red tassel and yellow yarn. Then I have used golden hearts for yellow tassel and red yarn. Mark the corners with your heart, then you can write anything on that. Here I am writing dream. Double the letters so that you can cut it out easily. Make sure it's attached together. It will be easy for you to stick there. Then paste the double side tape over there and stick it properly. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this. You can see the look in the wall. Like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.